Hi there. In today's video, I will be showing how you can use Metafields to display specialized information on your store's pages in a variety of ways. You can add Metafields to your products, collections, pages, and other parts of your store directly from your Shopify admin. Metafields can be a great way to display unique information on separate pages without having to create additional page templates. In this video, I will go through two different examples of how you can use Metafields on your store. For the first example, I will show how you can use Metafields for your store's collection page filters. For the second example, I will show how you can use Metafields to display unique information within collapsible tab blocks on the product page. Let's start with the first example, in regards to using Metafields for your collection page filters. You can access your store's filter settings within your Shopify admin by clicking on Online Store and then Navigation. From here, you can click Add Filters in the Filters area and you will see the different filter options you have the ability of enabling. There are only 7 filter options available to choose from, unless you add more filter options through Metafields. For the purpose of this video tutorial, I want to add another filter option for my products called Season. Underneath the Season filter option, I want the seasons of spring, summer, fall and winter to appear, and have my Metafield set up in a way that only certain products will display when different seasons are selected. To create the Seasons Metafield, I will click on Settings and then Metafields. I'm going to create a Metafield for my products, so I will select the products option. I will click Add Definition, and here is where I can fill in the Metafield details. I will name the Metafield Season, and this is what will be seen on the store when the Metafield is live. The namespace and key can be left untouched. The description is optional. You can fill in the description with a short piece of text in regards to what the Metafield is about. The description is displayed on the Shopify admin page where you add the values for your Metafield. Next, I will click Select Content Type and choose Text, because the Metafield values of spring, summer, fall and winter will be text. I will choose single line text because each of the values are just one word, and I will enable the Accept List of Values option because these Metafield values will appear as a list in the collection sidebar filters. I will also enable the Limit to Preset Choices option, so when entering Metafield values to my products, I can only add any of the 4 Metafield values I am creating here. You might not want to enable this option if you want to give yourself the ability to enter any Metafield value to your products at any time. I will save the changes I make, and the next step is to add the season Metafield values to my products. To do this, I will exit the Metafield settings and click on Products. Now you will see I can click into any of my products, scroll all the way to the bottom of the product page, and the product Metafield I created called Season will be there. From here, I can add any of the 4 season Metafield values I created. For this particular product, I will add fall and winter because it is a heavy type of jacket. I will save the change and go to another one of my products. Since this is a light t-shirt, I will add the spring and summer values to the season Metafield for this product. Once again, I will save the changes made. Now that I have added some Metafield values to products, I must add the season Metafield as a collection filter by going to Online Store and then Navigation. And from here I can click the Add Filter option in the Filters area and enable the Season filter from the list of Metafields available then click Done. You will now see when I visit a collection page which includes the products I added the season metafield values to, the season filter I just enabled appears. When I click into any of the season filters, the relevant products show. Now that I've shown you how metafields can be used to create collection filters, I will move on to the next example I'd like to go through in regards to using metafields to show specialized information within product collapsible tabs. In this example, I've created two different size charts that I would like to display on different product pages. The first size chart I created is for my jacket products, and the second size chart is for my t-shirt products. I've placed these size charts into pages which I will specifically use for the purpose of displaying size charts in the relevant product pages. Next, I need to create the metafield I'm going to use in order to make this happen. To create the metafield, I need to visit the metafield settings just like I did in the first example, by clicking Settings, then Metafields. I will click to add a product metafield since I'm going to be working with products. I will name the metafield size chart for relevance and give a description of what I'm using this metafield for. I will click Select Content Type, and since I want to display page content on specific product pages, I will choose the reference option and select Page. Once I save the metafield, I will visit the product area of my admin and select one of the products I want to display a specific size chart on. I will choose the same jacket product I used in the first example. I will scroll to the bottom of the page where the metafields option is, and in the size chart metafield, I will select the size chart jackets page I created. I will save the change, and I will go to a t-shirt product to connect the t-shirt size chart page to this product through the size chart metafield I created. I will scroll down to the metafields area and I will select the page called size chart t-shirts. Remember, I had already created this page before the video, and the only content it includes is a t-shirt size chart. I can save the change, and the last thing I need to do is visit the theme editor so I can add the metafield content to the product page through the block I'd like, which is the collapsible tabs block. To access the theme editor, I will click on Online Store and then Customize for the theme I'm using. Since I want to add metafield content to my product page, I will select the drop down button at the top of the page, click Products, and then select the default product template, as all of my store's products are using this template. As you can see on this product template, there are two collapsible tabs there already. However, I would like to add a third, called Size Chart. So I will go ahead and click Add Block on the left sidebar, and I will select the collapsible tab option. I will change the heading to Size Chart, and I will not add any text or image in this case because I want to add the size chart content I created earlier, which already includes images of the size charts. To do this, I will click the Metafields icon in the dynamic content section, and I will select the size chart metafield I created. I will now visit the two products I added metafield values to, and you will see they both display the different size chart images I created myself. The leather jacket product displays the jacket size chart, and the t-shirt product displays the t-shirt size chart. As you can see from the two examples in this video, Metafields can be a very useful feature for your online store. In this video, I've covered two different ways you can make use of Metafields with collection filters and within blocks, specifically the collapsible tab block on the product page. There are many more ways to use Metafields on your store. However, I just wanted to give an introduction to Metafields by giving examples of two really useful ways to use them. From this video, I hope you've learned how using Metafields can prove beneficial to your store. Of course, if you have any questions, please contact our support team through our support form, which I've linked in the description of this video, or by email on support@safeasmilk.co. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and until next time, take care.